Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Fire TV Cube Alexa voice calibration, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, make sure your Fire TV Cube is powered on and connected to your TV. Next, ensure your Fire TV Cube is connected to the internet. Grab your Alexa enabled remote. Press and hold the microphone button on the remote to initiate voice calibration. Speak clearly into the microphone and say, "Alexa, how do I sound?" Wait for the Fire TV Cube to process your request. Follow any on-screen instructions that may appear for additional voice input. You may need to repeat the calibration multiple times for optimal accuracy. Once completed, Alexa will confirm that calibration is successful. Test the voice recognition by asking Alexa a simple question. If response accuracy seems off, repeat the calibration process to improve performance. Ensure that your Fire TV Cube is placed in a location where it can hear you clearly. Avoid placing it near large objects or soft furnishings that may muffle sound. Adjust the volume levels on your TV to ensure that responses are audible. Consider setting your Fire TV Cube in a position that minimizes background noise. Continue to interact with Alexa to maintain voice calibration effectiveness. Regularly check for software updates to ensure your device is performing optimally. With these steps, you should be able to set up voice calibration on your Fire TV Cube successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.